Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is about 2019, and it's about find and replace and how it could help you. And I originally didn't like the new find and replace, but it's got so much stuff you can do, so much more stuff. So we're going to open up the window. We're going to edit. It takes just a second to bring up the window, and we're going to go through here, and we're going to find all the dimension, the linear dimensions. And the reason you'd want to do this is if you had a drawing with all these dimensions and then you want to get rid of them, instead of going through there and individually deleting them, find and replace, found them all, and you can just hit delete and they're all gone. That's pretty cool, because the other way to do it would be to go here, and I've done this for years, go through here and delete them one at a time. But this way, find all, takes just a second, hit delete, and they're all gone. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.